Uncle? You two? You've got to be kidding me! This is incest! Watch your mouth. She has nothing to do with you. If there's a next time, the bullet won't miss. It'll be in your skin. Now, every one of you, delete those recordings immediately. If I see a single photo or a second of video leaked, the Cedar Group legal team will come down on you with everything we've got.
How is this possible? No, it can't be!
He saw me at my absolute worst. I wonder what he thinks of me now. He looks so grim. Is he annoyed that everyone knows about us now? Does he think I'm just a burden?
Have they always treated you like this?
I'm used to it.
Let me help you take the toy out first.
Melody, I didn't know Uncle August trained you to be such a slut bringing a toy to the party. I guess you'll have to compensate me for everything I missed out on.
It's okay, I can do it myself.
Go take care of it in the restroom, then I'll drive you back to your apartment.
I need some time alone. I'll go back by myself.
There's no way I'm letting you go home like this. At least let me get you back safely, okay?
Fine. Go get the car from the garage. I'll meet you at the entrance after I'm done. I just want to leave.
Fine. Call me if anything happens. See you at the entrance.
Oh, come on! Why is it pouring now? Am I really gonna have to proc and call August?
Melody, where are you? I'm coming to get you.
I'm sorry. I'm at...
Melody, Melody, what's wrong? Melody!
Let me go! What are you doing?
I already know what kind of games you and Uncle August were playing at the party. I didn't realize you were such a little slut.
It's none of your business! Let me go or August will kill you!
Cut the act. You only became my uncle's mistress to get close to me, didn't you?
In your dreams!
Carter, get all the guards. Start searching everywhere. White Hotel Hotel is the center. And track Kai and the Baker's movements.
Alright, I admit it. You've officially caught my attention. Why were you so boring and conservative when we were dating? If I knew you were this wild, I wouldn't have bothered with your sister. You're much hotter than she is.
I'm just glad I never slept with you. That would have been the most disgusting mistake of my life!
Stop pretending. I know you regret missing out. The party's over and I've sent Lydia home. I can sleep with you right now. I'll even let you be my mistress.
Get off me! August is coming for me!
Stop lying. He ditched you and went home. You're just a toy to him, nothing more. Don't think you can depend on him. He has no kids. I'm his only heir. I'm the one who's gonna be the billionaire!
Melody, wait for me.
My uncle is old. I bet he can't even satisfy you, huh? Poor girl.
Let me show you what real sex feels like. Let me show you how hard and hot I can be.
You bitch! I'll fuck you until you're a bloody mess!
下のリンクをクリックします。全話を見ることができます。